Okay, so for the last year, I disappeared. Oh, maybe 2 years? I don't even know. But for the last year, I disappeared from YouTube. And the reason why is because I was learning Comfy UI. I was learning how to use AI to generate image and video. And because I don't like to share or even try to teach anything that I'm not an expert on, I first become an expert or somewhat of an expert, and then I come to YouTube and I'll teach you what I've learned. For the past year, I worked with AI influencers, like totally generated from Comfy UI with video and image. I worked with real people who needed photos that were absolutely realistic for their profiles, social media profiles. I worked with videographers and photographers where we created parts of the video clips, music clips, were generated with AI. Some were totally generated with AI. I create custom workflows. I got some up for free on CVTI. I got my own notepad. I'll share with you. Well, it's available in the Comfy UI, and we'll be using that to some of the workflows that I'll share with you. And so basically, I'm just saying I'm back, and we're gonna move into AI. I know my channel has been like coding and mainly 3D stuff. So, well, I migrated to AI, so that's what I'm gonna bring you from now on. So welcome, and check out my videos. Yeah, hit the like and the bell, and let's get going.